Hey, Paul Akers here. Everyone loves our FastPipe system right here. Great for making desks and workbenches. We use it throughout our facility in FastCap. But the only problem with it is you have to buy the pipe from us, which is a great product, but it's pretty long. And we only sell it about 52-inch lengths because it's very difficult to ship. But we have a solution. You can actually use our FastPipe connectors on 1-inch EMT right here. Now, it doesn't fit perfectly, but it works perfectly. There's no problem. They're a little bit more spread apart, but they actually lock up very solid. The big advantage to this is you just go down to Home Depot or Lowe's, buy your 1-inch EMT, cut it up, buy just the connectors from us, and you eliminate all the shipping problems. So it's very, very cool application if it works for you. Now you can still buy our rubber coated or PVC coated pipe, no problem there. But the EMT is a good solution. Now, let me show you a couple things. This is basically what we're talking about. Our pipe is about 1 1/8 right here, okay? About 1 1/8, and EMT is about 1 3/16. So it's just a little bit bigger diameter. Fix two things to really make it work. So this is our tabletop connector. So if you want to attach a bench to this, see how this works? We just made this, it's brand new. It just clips on there and you put a screw underneath. Well, we made it so this works also with the EMT. Look at this. Just presses on there, clips into place, and now you've also got a nice connector for your tabletop or bench top for the EMT. Another thing we changed was this. This is our 3-inch locking caster, and it works normally with our FastPipe system. You just tighten the bolt up and away you go. But on the EMT, it's way too sloppy. See that? So we designed a new bushing that works great with it, right here. You just take the bushing in there. So when you order the caster, you order the 3-inch EMT caster, and it'll come with the larger bushing so it will work with the EMT. So we have two new connectors, this connector and the connector for the casters, as well as all of our normal connectors will work just fine, just a little bit further spread apart. Hopefully that will help you if you want to start using the EMT system with our connectors for FastPipe. Thanks a lot.
So when you want to check out serious innovation, go to FastCap.com. We have great products from our peel and stick cover caps to our peel and stick edge banding, Fast Edge, our best fence system, the speed brace, the quick mandrel, the quickie best fence system, the Kaizen foam, the Kiss drill bit system, the magnetic dust door, our amazing 2P10 adhesive, our Pro Carpenter tape measure series, our glue bots, our third hands. We have so many awesome products, the new Polk workbench. Go to FastCap.com and find out where innovation really begins. And make sure you go to our YouTube channel, thousands of videos that you can learn all kinds of things about lean innovations and everything to make you more efficient.